Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair TCL MoveAudio S180 to your MacBook. Okay, so first of all, just simply open the case out of this and take them out of this case. You have to take a look on these indicators. They are located right here, and you have to wait until one of them starts blinking blue. It means that the device will be in the pairing mode. If this mode it's not going to be enabled as default, I'm going to show you how you can make it manually. But as you can see, after a few moments the right one is blinking. So we have to put them close to our MacBook and simply go to the Bluetooth settings. You can just go to the settings right here, the system settings, go for the Bluetooth on the left side, then turn it on by tapping on the switcher. And there is the Nearby Devices tab. We have to select Connect. And as you can see right now we are successfully connected, but I can recommend you to also go for the sound settings and just check if the output and the input is switched for our TCL. As you can see in my case everything is fine. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.